Try and find it. There's a... Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip, and today's Tàijíquán Tip is to super tire out your arms. So do a few rounds with the heavy bag, hold the plank for an extended period, knock out your sets of push-ups for the day, get your arms, so we could say shoulders, chest, whatever, but the upper body really tired out, where you kind of here, and then practice your form. See what the difference is. See what that experience of the super tired out arms can inform about the art of Tai Chi Chuan. Some of it's not going to be getting done quite as well as it could. Some of it might get done better than usual. And other parts might be like, oh, there's something to learn here. There's something to pay attention to here. That's what me not getting in my own way with excess muscular tension actually feels like. So I say enjoy that, but you might not enjoy it. Really super tire out your arms, play with the form, see what happens. Thank you very much.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.